Hi scholars! So I found a math game that I would love to put into your May-dos. So this is an option that you have once you have finished your Zern lesson for the day and once you have finished your other must-dos for math. This is a great game to play and I would love to walk you through how to do it. Alright, so I'm going to go to the practice button so that I can practice. So the first thing it says is select operator, as in which operation do we want to do? You have two options. You have addition and you have multiplication. I'm going to go into multiplication. Then it says select puzzle size. You have an option of 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, or 9 numbers. All right, and we'll talk about what that means in 1 minute. And then you have select your difficulty, sunshine or rain. So I always challenge you to do something that will push you, something that is not too easy, but also remember to choose something that does not frustrate you, that is not too difficult, and you don't even understand what you're doing. So find that right challenge zone for you. So for me, I'm going to go with a 5-number puzzle, and I am going to go with the sunshine difficulty. Then it says touch the number that is the product of 2 numbers. Product means the answer to a multiplication sentence. So in other words, I'm looking at these 5 numbers, or if you're in the 4-numbered puzzle, you'll be looking at 4 numbers. If you're in the 6-numbered puzzle, you'll be looking at 6 numbers, and so on. So I'm going to be looking at 5 numbers, and 2 of them, when multiplied together, will give me a product of another number also shown in the puzzle. In this case, 5 times 9 is 45. So 45 is the product of 5 times 9. So 45 would be the answer I click, and that's why I would click that one, all right? So let's go through this. All right, I'm going to start with this puzzle right here. Now remember, I'm looking for the product of 2 other numbers in here. So when I start here, I see 12, and 12 times any of these would not give me another number in here. So 12 times 3 would give me 36, which is not in here. 12 times 10 would give me 120, which is not an option, right? If I look here, I see 3. Well, 3 times 12 we said is 36, so that's not an option. But 3 times 10 is 30. So 30 is the product of 3 times 10. 30 is the product of 2 other numbers in this puzzle set. So I'm going to click 30 for that reason, right? Here again, I'm going to look at the different numbers and I'm going to figure out, well, which one of these is the product of 2 other numbers? So I might need to do some of these in my head or on paper, and that's totally fine. So 9 times 8 is 72, and that's not an option here, so that can't be right. 8 times 6 is 48. Also not an option, so that can't be right. 6 times 9, that's 54. So the product is 54, right? All right, so I'm going to click that. Look here and try to figure out, okay, what 2 numbers, when multiplied together, will give you the product that's also here. All right, I'm going to let you work on that one. But I'm going to get one wrong on purpose. I want you to see what happens. Let's say I get one of them wrong on purpose, just so you can see what happens. So 4 times 5 is 20, but let's say I click 15. All right, didn't work. See that? So I know 15 is not right. It didn't turn up big like that. But if I click that, then I get my green one. All right, we go back to this. Did anyone figure it out? It's 5 times 2 would be 10, right? And here, 10 times 7 would be 70. Now I have this puzzle, and you see how the multiplication changed to an addition? Well, that tells me that now I need to add 2 of these together to get another product. So what 2 numbers here, when added together, give me, not a product, excuse me, the sum. What sum would I find, right? Because an addition problem's answer is a sum. So 10 plus 20 is 30, so that would work. So I can click that, and then I'm done. All right? I can play it again, and you'll notice I have a totally different set of numbers. So you can do this as many times as you would like, all right? I hope that this is a fun and exciting new way for you to work on math. Of course, as always, please let me know if you have any questions. I miss you very much, and I cannot wait to see you soon.